Okay, so I just found out something. I got nominated for 5 one-shot hair votes, which is super cool and I'm very proud of it, but apparently you need to vote. I didn't know that. So this is a big thing, but I need your help. And here's how to vote. It's super easy. Go to the link in the description or oneshot.behindthechair.com. Make a free account. I know it's annoying, but it takes like 1 minute, especially if you sign in with Google. Then look for the categories, which are funny video, color educational video, Bixie, haircut video, and the one that's the coolest, a collab with Ellen. You can search easily by finding hoofdzaak, which are the 5 letters HFDZK. That's me. Voting closes August 10. So if you like the videos I make, the cuts I do, the chaos I bring, well, this is the time I need you to help me out. Vote for hoofdzaak and for Ellen before August 10th. And if you vote, send me a DM and I'll reply personally. Seriously, let's show the world what short hair can do and bring those awards home